A Starry Night, author unknown, out of the A Flint Holds Fire textbook. One summer evening, Juanita and her little sister Rosa sat down on the grass to rest. It began to grow dark. One by one the stars came out. At last it was quite dark. The sky was dotted with bright stars. Rosa watched the stars quietly for some time. Then she said, "Where are the stars in the daytime?" "They are shining just as they are now," said Juanita. "They are always shining, day and night?" asked Rosa. "Yes, they are like the sun. They shine all the time." "Then why can't we see them during the day?" "Because the sun gives much more light than the stars," said Juanita. "You know that if you turn the porch light on in the daytime, you can hardly see it. When we first sat down here, we could not even see one star. But then it grew dark enough to see the brightest stars. As it grew darker still, we saw other stars. If something should happen at noon to make it quite dark, then we could see the stars." "How strange that seems," said Rosa. "I did not know before that the stars were up in the sky in the daytime." "Did you know that you can tell which way is north by looking at the stars?" said Juanita. "How is that done?" asked Rosa. "All you have to do is find the North Star," said Juanita. "Look up where I'm pointing. Do you see 7 stars in a group? They seem to make the shape of a dipper. 4 of these stars make the bowl of the dipper. The other 3 bend away and make the handle. The 2 bright stars at the front of the bowl are called the pointers. They point toward the North Star. The dipper moves about, but these 2 stars always point to the North Star. People long ago thought that these stars made the shape of a bear, so they called this group the Big Bear. There's a little bear, too. It looks like a little dipper to us. The North Star is at the end of this handle." "Why should I know where the North Star is?" asked Rosa. "Because you will be able to tell directions at night. If you're ever lost at night, that star tells you where north is. If you know where north is and in which direction your house is, you can find your way home again." "It's fun to lie here and study the stars," said Rosa. "Yes," said Juanita, "and some people study about suns and stars and outer space all their lives. These people are called astronomers. It's very exciting to study the sun and stars and outer space because there's so much to learn."